Okay, all right. So if you need any more information on that, let me know. And meantime, let's get on with our class. So what have we got today? Today we have, I think we got a visual, which is good. Oh, here comes Naila. Come in, Naila. We've got a visual text, and we've got comprehension cloze, and we've got open-ended comprehension. Okay, so here is our poster. And as usual, when we have a visual text, I like to find out from you, what do you think about this design? So I'm going to ask Josiah. Hi, Josiah. What do you think about the design of this poster? Is it a good poster?
Yes, I can see that it's very colorful
Yeah.
and it has a lot of details.
Right.
But it's age for only 14 years old and above, so I can't join.
Oh, that's disappointing. But at least it's got that detail. You don't go and sign up and then find out later that it's only for those who are 14. You're going to be 14 soon, so hope you can do the first aid next time, Josiah. Yeah. It's a great skill to have, and being able to know how to help in an emergency is a great thing. Okay, great, thank you. So I'm going to get someone else's opinion here. Jerusha, can you turn on your video, please? Oh, it's not working, Jerusha?
Like the poster looks really colorful, and it also shows the action of helping someone.
Yeah.
And the purpose of the poster is written in bold letters so people can read it easily.
Nice title. You're right. And the color's good, isn't it, Jerusha? The red color attracts us.
Yes.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Okay. So Marissa, is there something you think could be better about this poster? What would you like to change and improve?
I don't know.
Is there anything that you would say, oh, maybe it's better like this or like this?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. Okay. Does anybody have any suggestions about how to improve this poster? Raha?
Make it for like all ages or something like that.
Yes, I agree that even if we are under 14, we should be able to attend because you're smart enough and old enough to know what to do. Yes, thank you, Raha. Yes, I agree with you. Um, maybe there's a government restriction we don't know about. We could find out, but I agree that that's a bit off-putting. That at least, maybe we can just come and watch until we're 14 or something. It'd be really nice to attend. Okay, great. Thanks for your answers. And it's good to know about design, isn't it? You notice in the design that, as mentioned, the title really stands out. The picture is nice and big to attract our attention, so we know what we're going to learn. There's a QR code, so you can immediately sign up. And there are other details, as mentioned, in the box, so we can see in the box. And then there are other details, but they are not all together in one line. We're split up between a box and an oval here. That helps to make the information easier to read. And if we want to find out more, there's also a detail there. So how to contact people, how to find out more. There's a lot of information in this poster. Okay, great. So I hope at some point we'll have a chance to design a poster together. Okay, Victoria, number 1, would you like to unmute? Who is the standard first aid and AED awareness course meant for?
I think it's the Singapore citizen or PRs 14 years old and above.
Singapore citizens or PRs. Yes, what does PR stand for?
Permanent resident.
Well done, well done. And Victoria, I just saw your comment about the poster itself, that you thought that maybe it could be bigger. What could be bigger? The words. You feel the words at the bottom are too small, Victoria? Okay, too small at the bottom, so you've got to squeeze to read them. But I guess they wanted to capture your attention with the picture and the title. So that's why everything got kind of squeezed into a corner. Thank you. Okay, so we see for Singapore citizens and all permanent residents aged 14 years old and above. So that means foreigners and people under 14 can't attend, which is a great pity. Thank you. Raha, would you like to do number 2, please? What is the purpose of the QR code in the poster?
A,
Could you read it?
it is to allow users to register for the standard first aid AED awareness course.
Yes, actually, this is the only sensible answer, isn't it, Raha? Thank you. The others are clearly more interesting. That's not a good reason. Cannot understand English? Well, no. And more modern? No, we're not really into modern or old or anything. It's information, isn't it? Many thanks for that. Okay, so next, can we have Jairus? Jairus. Which of the following statements about the standard first aid and AED awareness course is true?
D, the course is fully subsidized.
Oh, D for dog, right? I thought you said B for bat. Okay. D for dog, the course is fully subsidized. What does it mean, subsidized, Jairus?
It means that
Go back to the poster.
subsidized means fully subsidized means it has been fully paid by somebody.
Excellent, excellent, but not by you, right? So if you sign up, you don't have to pay anything. In other words, what's another way of writing this? Instead of saying subsidized, what could they put?
The course is free.
Yes, they could say it's free, exactly. And maybe people would understand better. Yes, so no charge for the course. Thanks, Jairus. Number 4, Marissa, could you do this one?
A,
Yeah.
he can approach CC staff or volunteers.
Okay, so where did you see that on the poster?
Above the terms and conditions apply.
Ah, right at the bottom, yes, right at the bottom. So if you can approach us for more information here at the bottom. And as I said, that's really helpful to put in because people may have questions. Thank you very much for that. Yes. Okay, so there isn't any email address on there. Ask his friends is nonsense, and ask the police, they wouldn't know anything about this. So yes, the CC staff. What does CC stand for, Marissa?
I don't know.
Okay, anybody know? You can write in the chat. Very close, Victoria. Your first word, community, is correct. What's the second C for? Yes, Victoria, only you spelt it the American way. Yes, so it's community center, community center. So every district in Singapore has a community center where you can go and take courses. Unfortunately, this one's not open to you, but maybe you can find one that is. Have you ever taken a CC course? A course at your local CC? What courses are there available for you? Has anyone done Taekwondo or something else interesting? Let's see. Tuition. Oh, you did tuition there. Okay, right. What else? Any other courses that you've taken there? Dance, maybe? Anyone done any dance? Oh, you don't go there anymore. Okay. Well, find out what courses are on at your CC. It's great if you can take them, and mostly they are subsidized. If not free, they are cheap. So that's the idea, is to make it education for everybody. Okay, so piano, learning piano there. Yes, you can learn music, you can learn dance, you can learn martial arts, all sorts of things. It's worth going to look at what your CC is offering. Okay, so we now go on to Emma. Could you answer number 5, please?
Is it B?
Let's check out the poster, Emma, and see if can you confirm your answer?
Yes.
It's correct, yes. So in the box here, we've got the venue. Venue means the place where we're going to have the course. That's where it will be held. Wait, there's 2. So there's the auditorium, and then there's the community club. Is it in the classroom or at the auditorium? Can you check, Emma, again?
It's at the community club.
Check again, read the whole venue.
Classroom at Nee Soon East Community Club.
Right. So it should be classroom, right? Yeah, so it's not being held in the auditorium, which is the big theatre type place. It's actually in the classroom. Thanks, Emma. So that was a bit of a tricky question, wasn't it? Because you could say, oh yeah, Nee Soon, and you could just check and click or tick A, and suddenly realize actually D is also possible. So it's always good to read through everything. East Coast Park, well, that's Nee Soon, but it's not the community club. And hospital, we know C is completely wrong. So we can dismiss that. Thanks very much. Yutaka, could you do number 6, please? According to the poster, what's the point of learning first aid? It is to show off your skills. Yutaka?
Is to prepare yourself to help people in case of emergency.
Fantastic, thank you. It's a sensible answer. Nobody wants to just learn something to show off. That's a stupid thing to do. And we don't just want to get the certificate, that's not enough. And we're not supporting Nee Soon, so this is the only sensible answer. Thank you, Yutaka, for choosing that. Okay, we're going on to number 7 now. Raha, could you do number 7, please? Oh, sorry, not Raha, sorry, Rina.
Sunday.
On a Sunday. Okay, let's check the poster and then you can confirm. Can you see it, Rina? Where is it?
At the right bottom.
Bottom right in the box, yeah? Okay, it says Sundays in brackets. So we know that Sundays, yes, correct answer, well done. It's going to be held on a Sunday, so there are 4 sessions. So that's why we've got Sundays with an S, because it's over 4 weeks on a Sunday. Okay, thank you very much. Naila, number 8, please.
$29.12.
29/12. Seriously? Is that the date? Okay, let's check. 29/12. Just check. 29/12. Aha. 28/9/2010. So it's every month, 24/11 and 29/12, which so happens to be my birthday. How interesting. Carol's only free on weekends in December. On which date could the standard first aid she attend? So it's on my birthday. How nice. Okay.